Greetings, I am Rahul Mahashabde. This is English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are appearing or taking competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Of course, vocabulary plays an important part in developing and enhancing language skills in general. Verbal ability, no doubt, is a building block of language. A learner may be a student, an office goer, or a homemaker. Today we'll be dealing with the word cabal. It literally means conspiring together. It exists in two forms. One is, of course, noun and another is verb. But before we go into discussion of cabal, uh, you may come across a word called cable. It is important to understand both of them because it may create a sort of confusion. So the meaning of cable, the difference between them is their pronunciations are different and spellings are different. Cabal is C-A-B-A-L and cable is C-A-B-L-E. And cable is an electric wire used for carrying electricity or electric signals. Examples are like this: cable carries electricity to a large distance without much loss. Our cables are fireproof. The second meaning is cable television. This is an uncountable noun, and the company broadcast on satellite and cable. And third meaning is a strong thick metal rope, that is steel cable. As a verb, it means to send message. So examples are: I cabled him a telegram and he cables me every day. Now, coming to word cabal, which is it really means a word of conspiracy, or it is a word of conspiracy rather, making a plot, designing schemes or underhand plan, often of dishonest nature. Intriguing, a small group of people. The another meaning would be the group of people who create plot. And the third, it is also a secret plot. The synonyms for cabal are clique, clan, collusion, coterie, faction, and junta. Let's see more about cabal. So, two meanings of word cabal are a small group of people who are engaged in conspiring. The secret, or the second meaning is secret plan. So, cabal refers to band of people who come together to make schemes or plots so as to gain political power. So this word is literally a negative word and is related to intriguing and achieving political advantage. So the political advantage, it is coming not in a very good sense, but it is coming through devising some schemes or plots. Examples of this particular word are a cabal of intellectuals, a cabal of conservative communists, a cabal of parliamentarian, a cabal of power brokers, a cabal of military persons. There are some examples you can find in newspapers also. So I have taken some of the examples of cabal in newspapers are like they are not the resistance, they are not a cabal, they are public servants. Secret cabal leads army, that is secret group, you can say. This appeared in the New York Times. And understanding the structure of global cabal theories can shed light on their allure and their inherent falsehood. And there was a news in Times of India which was rather fake news, which states pandemic was not set off by global cabal. So in fact there was a theory circulating around that this coronavirus or the corona disease, COVID disease, is because of global cabal. A lot of people, some of the people, they came together and they created this particular disease. So then let's come to the verb part of this particular word. As a verb, it indicates an action, and this action involves entering into plotting or conspiracy or acting with other people in designing evil plots or scheme against an opponent. This group of politicians, examples could be: this group of politicians and businessmen are caballing against government. No, we don't cabal. We are clean group, busy in improving life of people. And lastly, these people caballed a lot before they were caught red-handed. So we can see the difference between them, or let's see the difference between the cabal as a noun and cabal as a verb. So you can see cabal as a noun names a group of people who are involved in scheming, plotting, or designing evil plans against their opponents or enemies. It is also a name of plot or evil designs or conspiracy. As a verb, it is an act, a conduct, a behavior, or carrying out an evil plot or scheme. So that's it for today. I am sure that you would by now you are in position to differentiate between cabal and cabal, the exact meaning of cabal, what do we mean by cabal, and we are also able to differentiate between the noun, cabal as a noun and cabal as a verb. Thank you very much and see you again. Thank you.